Food, fireworks, and face masks. We are heading into a long holiday weekend as COVID-19 cases continue to go up right here in the Quad Cities.
That's right. What state health officials say may be behind it and how some are responding. That is tonight's top story. First, the latest numbers. 37 more people have tested positive in Scott County since yesterday. That's 696 cases so far.
In Rock Island County, 20 new cases are being reported. That's just five shy now of 1,000 cases since the pandemic began. 11 of the 20 who have tested positive are under the age of 40. One is a boy under 10 years old. And as cases are surging, the QC COVID-19 Coalition brought in the director of the Illinois Department of Public Health. That was during today's briefing to explain what is happening. Local 4's Aaliyah Sims joining us live in the newsroom right now with an update that came out of that briefing, as well as what's being recommended as we know families gather for the holiday weekend. Aaliyah.
And while cases continue to climb, the topic about young people contracting the virus is a concern. Health experts say they are looking for engaging social media campaigns to make sure they are getting not only the younger, but also the older audience to pay attention. The director of the Illinois Department of Public Health addressed how close the Rock Island region is to slipping backwards into Phase 3. She says things are looking good in Rock Island County and in the bigger region as well. She is also hoping that we'll be able to continue on that positive path.
Some of the parameters and the metrics that we're using to consider reverting back from Phase 4 to Phase 3 include test positivity. There's no difficulties in the Rock Island area with regards to test positivity. We are seeing numbers consistently well under 5%. Hospital capacity in terms of medical surgical beds, ICU beds, and ventilator capacity are well over the threshold.
Meanwhile, Scott County health experts say according to recent numbers, they will see the highest daily case count today. And they say additional testing is not driving that spike. Right now, Iowa's coronavirus website says there are 37 cases. 40 is Scott County's high. That website updates regularly. We also know the holidays are approaching, so we asked the question, what can families do to make sure they are staying safe while also enjoying the holidays? Health experts say the best thing you can do is stay at home as much as you can and make essential trips only. They say we have to remember there's still no treatment or a vaccine, so it's even more important to remember to wash your hands, watch your distance, wear your face coverings, and stay home if you are sick. And
Aaliyah Sims, thank you, reporting live in our newsroom right now.